Hi there, I'm Marcus. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Health Leap Home Exercise Program Creator. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to expand your knowledge, this video will guide you through all the essential features and functionalities of our app. In this tutorial, we'll begin by walking you through the process of creating an account and setting up your profile. Then we'll dive into the core features, showing you how to maximize each tool that the site offers. You'll learn how to customize your settings, manage your exercise routines, and utilize advanced features to enhance your experience. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to confidently and efficiently create customized home exercise programs tailored to your clients' needs. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of this powerful web-based tool. See you inside.